I wasn't gonna film this because it's embarrassing, but we have a weasel problem. I need a tripod. Anyways, good morning YouTube. My name's Nicole. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the little like and the bell so you know exactly when I post all my new videos. If you forget to hit the bell, that's okay. Something about today is I woke up with a little bit of a headache, but in other news, I'm just gonna pop an Advil. It'll be fine. And Ben picks up a new hot tub tonight, so that's fun. Also, it gives me an excuse to go bathing suit shopping, so let's do it. I'm stuck in a plan. Better. I haven't worn a bathing suit in a hot minute. It's literally been years. Like, I honestly want to say 5. And I especially haven't worn a bathing suit since having a baby, so I don't know where to even start. That's why I thought maybe I'd check out Walmart. Just cause, like, one, it's the only store we have. But that's not true. It kind of is true. But 2, I don't really want to shop online for a bathing suit, especially when I don't know how to dress myself. Sawyer! Empty bottle of paprika is not a good sign, so I'm gonna go see what kind of mess we have. Paprika. 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 Could be the paprika, but my headache just got a whole lot worse. Okay, not only is there spices, paprika, all over the living room, he also decided that it was a great idea to grab the French press and spill coffee all over the floor too. So I have a stained couch, a stained carpet, and nothing to clean it. And my anxiety has gone from, like, I was fine down here, but like a little bit higher because I had a humming little headache, to like it's here. You can't even see it anymore. So this is my karma from saying I was gonna go shopping for bathing suits, because now I have to go shopping for something that'll get the stain out of the carpet and the couch. And probably clean the floor too. Parenthood is good sometimes. Please have kids. It's a really good time. Ben always tells me that I need to start wearing my own clothes because I like to wear his sweaters. And I just got one little thing to say about that. No, not doing it. And yes, I am about to go ignore all of my problems. Even though he won't stop whining today. He slept really good last night. I don't know what's going on. And I'm gonna leave the house. I'll deal with this mess later. You guys good? Rexy, you good? There's chickens in the car. And Tim. Chickens! Get out! Out, out, out! Get out, chickens! Out, chickens! Chickens, get out! And Tim! Tim! My goodness, Tim, leave me alone! I don't know why he's gotta attack me like that. It's so annoying. The other day I held him upside down, and that sounds so weird, but people told us to hold him upside down, and it worked for a few days, but I don't know what his problem is lately with me. He doesn't do it to Ben, it's just to me, and he's done it to Sawyer, and I am vegan and I keep saying that I'm gonna make him into soup, so it's on my nerves. Sometimes you just have to leave all your problems behind and deal with it later, because mentally today I can't do it. So I'm gonna go for a nice drive, listen to some music, which I would have playing right now, but I'd get flagged. But I'm gonna go for a drive, and we're gonna deal with the mess later, and we're gonna deal with the stains later, and I keep thinking somebody's in my rear view, but it's just a recycling bin. I don't know. yeah, we're gonna go. I got the stuff. I felt like this might help. We'll see. And also, I felt like I definitely needed some ice cream. I decided to just shove. Those are full cushions, if it ever wants to. Those are full cushions that I don't really care about. They don't unzip, so I'm just going to throw them in the wash hole and dry them. If it gets destroyed, then it gets destroyed. They're ugly anyways. But then I have the cushions in there, the cushion covers in there that I'm just going to wash and put on the line. And hopefully the stains come out. Oh. Some of my plants are super happy, like these guys. But then, oops, my pole beans died. I wasn't gonna film this because it's embarrassing, but we have a weasel problem, and Ben's going to get cages and stuff to trap the weasel to get rid of it, but I just went out to the coop and I get so emotionally attached to animals, but our favorite bunny is she's gone. The weasel got to her, and I'm not really gonna say any details because I'm sure you don't want to know. I didn't want to know, but this is the hard part of having farm animals and being like super attached to them. Homesteading's not for everyone, guys, so this is hard. So yeah. It's been a little while since the break into the coop and everything, and I didn't have an ending for this video. And I've been putting off this video, one, because it's sad, but two, just it's not my usual content, and I don't know how to end it because there's not really an ending, you know? I don't have a happy ending for you, and that's just the reality of it. Farming isn't easy, and we've run into so many obstacles along the way, and yeah. It was, as you saw in my vlog, it was a day. It was a hard day, and it ended even worse than what I expected. So we had put out some traps and tried to catch whatever was killing our animals. It ended up killing about 15 of them. But nothing. Nothing came back, and we haven't lost another animal again, which is good, but it leaves us a little bit worried still that one of these days it'll have come back and killed the rest of our flock and our bunnies, and yeah, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to watch this, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would know a little bit of the story. I do post in my my Instagram story. And I posted as things were happening. So if you want updates in the future, you can go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, this one doesn't have a happy ending. And I'm sorry.